Hi guys, welcome to Digital Investment. I'll get to the main topic of the video. Before that, I wanted to show my spot and trading portfolio. So today my spot did quite good. I added more to my global and where shares and added more to Tata Gold. I bought a lot of gold today. I make everything why it makes sense that I am more bullish for the next 2 to 3 weeks because a lot of good news has started to come in, which I explained in the LinkedIn, which I just posted. And I also start my this is my trading portfolio. Took a trade. I saw market pushing up for the no reason, and you know market pushing up for the no reason. I thought it would be a chance for a good pullback, so I took a shot on Sun Pharma. It didn't pan out my way, but it's all right. I just wanted to hedge my position. That said, I'll explain everything why I'm bullish for this past next 2 3 weeks. But all I want to discuss about all electric mobility. This stock, actually, I hate this company to its absolute core. That's it. You can say it's a bit of innovative, but innovation shouldn't innovation. I don't know how to frame it, but innovation shouldn't compensate the reality of the company. This company records more loss than more complaints and profit. If any good chance of a good loss, it starts to get recover. It just pushes up immediately. It just looks for one good narrative. But that's how stock market is. I'm not here to question it, but it started pushing. Now it gives me good risk to reward ratio to short it. Although I'm very cautious with shorting next month or 2 to 3 weeks. First of all, this this company has lost its market share in EV sector. I don't think this will last. Even this will go bankrupt in 2 to 3 years with what of news is I'm going to be presenting. It says it's bringing out new products. Every year they're saying new products are coming out. It's expanding into EV as well. I think even mobile phone it's executing. Doesn't it reminds you of Elon Musk? But Elon Musk is actually smart. He's just one looks like one Pujari. This is what faces poor customer service, recurring vehicle defects, and delayed warranty claims. And employees also complain that I have a lot of friends are working in electric, and they themselves complain that it's one of the worst places to work in. Ola Electric, just this rally was just because it's selling off its shares to repay its debt. What? You use shares of the company to expand more of your asset base, to do more on your R&D. You're using it to pay off your debt. What will you do with and you're not even cash flowing, dude. You're not even, your reserve and surplus is also, oh, very pathetic. You're not even cash flowing. How are you going to launch all this new product? How are you claiming yourself as an EV company even though you don't have money to do you don't have a money to do R&D. EV is all known for its R&D, and you don't even have the money to do R&D. That doesn't make sense to me at all, because EV, what I know, is expensively investing in R&D. Uh, what I would suggest is take on more debt and invest it in R&D. Why using your own shares, selling it, and using it to pay off your debt? And what capital you got? You're in excessive loss. You're not in cash flow. You're losing market share in EV space day by day. You know, it's very bad, and you cannot. And you're launching all these battery products, battery, all this bike series which you are promoting, cyberpunk style bike. You can't even hold on. How can you do that when you got no money, dude? Like, I'll actually explain like in a LinkedIn post I posted just now. It's a massive red flag when promoter sells his own stake just to pay off his debt and interest. I genuinely thought Ola Electric was innovative, the next Elon Musk stories. But then one simple question: how many projects has Bhavish Agarwal announced and actually got executed? Almost none. Ola Electric records more complaints than profit. On top of that, how does a company even talk with aggressive R&D expansion when it's struggling to pay service interest payment? This tell you one thing: the entire capital employed both is generating zero return, zero. That's destruction, not innovation. At this point, it's fair to ask: can we call Ola Electric MSTR of India? Big promises, flashy narrative, zero execution. So that is what is my uh, 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 that is what was my I'll just open that post for you again. I lost it. Yeah, I think I'll open that post for you. Yeah, and that is what I think about all electric completely. You know, because what I just mentioned is absolutely correct. This is the reason why I hate all electric so much. You know, it is completely a red flag now. It is even losing its patents. It got no cash flow. Only thing it has got is few patents now, which they will lose 100% to that, because everyone are expanding like anything, anything. So that is what is my news. Will I be shorting Ola Electric or any company for the next week or 2 weeks? I have to see how Nifty reacts to it, because the lot of good news has started to come in, which I'll explain now. All that is why I'm being very careful. That's why I'm being very careful shorting this week. Maybe next week as well. I'm mostly accumulating now, not chasing. With India reaching an FTA with New Zealand, potentially more FTA in the pipeline, this could potentially indirect US into entering a trade deal with India. If the US trade deal actually enters into final stage and the Fed starts QE, we could see a broad bull run across asset class. That's when you need to be positioned. So I saw a news that India, if I can open that for y'all. India US trade deal. Yeah, this is so I saw it. I think final stage. I think final stage. Okay, actually, I can't find that. I can't find that trade deal. But we are seeing a good chance of trade deal happening, because I saw a news. I don't recall it. I saw a news that it is being in final stage now, because now a lot of country are getting in relationship with India, and US may be pressurized that we don't want to lose out on India. A lot of other country will benefit from India, so this could sow the massive demand for the Indian products, and also So and US will also give a better trade deal with get onto a better trade deal with India. And next week I think Fed is starting QE. Inflation was very down as well in the US, so Fed will soon start money printing, and QE will start. So so all the asset class will go on a bull run for the next 2 3 weeks, which I'm not sure will it happen or not. I don't have a crystal ball. All I can do is predict and position according to it. So that's why I've bought shares in Tata Gold. No, gold. I bought more gold. Since I'm going to be positioning, I'm going to be adding more to Merchants. Grovel, I added more shares to it, because I see a very good bull run in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.